Welcome all. It is Bob at Two Pops Breaks on Tuesday. It is November the 8th. We're breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus. It's a one boxer, and we randomed up our 11 remaining box numbers. 23 is what we got. Random team sales for this on your right. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized the customer list afterwards. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. Not seeing anything though, just double checking my chance. Alright, here we go, folks. Box 23, pop of that seal. Alright, fellers. Well, bam! Going to be a Buffalo hit with the Gabriel Davis. For Buffalo, Gabe Davis, Beckett Witness hologram. Bam! Also going to be another nice hit for someone there, guys. Going to be the Atlanta spot with the Andrew Jones for Atlanta. Also, last but not least, guys, going to be a 2017 Panini Donruss Optic Alvin Kamara, guys, for the Saints spot on that one. Alright, fellas, again, gonna be your Andrew Jones. This one has DA certification. She is a majestic there, guys. Going to be a Braves hit, folks. Alright, who's gonna take that one? Well, Vincent. Vincent had some decent luck this series, man. Hit a few nice things there. Well, Vince, grabbing those last few spots did you good there, I guess. Also going to be the Gabe Davis. Actually a nice size sig for one of the young kids, man. For the Buffalo spot. Alright, who has Buffalo? Ouch, wow, I'm sorry, G. I do appreciate you helping us get that sucker filled. Well, iBreak going to take the Gabe Davis. And, well, Joey, starting a small card collection there, I guess, this series. Joey's going to take the Alvin Kamara. Alright, folks, again, if you want to keep for tomorrow, it would only be 14 for you to keep there, guys. And Jones, Gabe, Kamara. Alright, so Jones, it goes to Woodley. Gabe goes to Highbreak. Card goes to Olin. Alright, guys, another nice box for you. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Y'all, Bobbit 2 Pops breaks again. Call out your keeps, guys. It'd be 14 for tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful night. Really do appreciate you helping us close that out, guys.